latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello and welcome to News 9 Digital. I am Abhijit Singh Bhamra, and today I'll be talking to you about biosecure environment in cricket and whether playing the gentleman's game under bio bubble is a possibility or not. Now, why am I saying this? Because former Indian captain and Indian batting legend Rahul Dravid has said that playing cricket once it returns from COVID-19 under bio bubble is an unrealistic approach. Now, England and Wales Cricket Board has already said that they will host both Pakistan and West Indies in a bio bubble environment at home this year. Now, don't forget that UK has been one of the most worst hit countries when it comes to COVID-19. But the problem for England and for India doesn't end there. Rahul Dravid adds that in order to take a series or to conduct a series under a bio bubble environment is quite a tedious task. Just imagine this. India has to go to England to play 5 test series which will last for close to 2 months. Now, according to the new ICC rules, the cricketers will have to undergo a 14-day isolation period before the start of the series and after the start of the series. So this means an additional 4 weeks, which equates to 1 more month. So now the cricketers who are already spending close to 2.5 months on tour will have to be on tour and away from their families for over 3 months now. Now this will only add to the pressure which the cricketers are already under. But this is not the only problem which Rahul Dravid has pointed out. He says that let us suppose that if a series is going on and in the middle of the series or even in the middle of a test match, a player tests positive for COVID-19, then what happens to the rest of the match? Will the match be called off? Because as per the health ministry directives, if any individual is tested positive for COVID-19, then all the players or all the people around him will undergo quarantine for a mandatory 2 weeks or even more. And what will happen to the revenue generation then? The series for which both the boards have spent lots and lots of money on will go down the drain. So this means there will be financial repercussions for both the boards in case, for example, India and Australia play later this summer. Also, the point to note over here is that it's only England who has come up with this idea of playing cricket under biosecure environment, and Pakistan too has agreed to playing to England in biosecure environment. Now, what exactly is a biosecure environment or a bio bubble? Now, speaking about bio bubble, it's a mechanism and it's a procedure to keep all the players, and in this cricketing terms, all the players safe from COVID-19. Remember, you can take fans out of the equation, you won't allow them to participate or even watch it inside the stadiums. But what about the match officials? What about the ground staff? What about the association staff? So all of them will have to be there at that point of time. So necessary arrangements need to be made for them as well. So this means additional money will need to be pumped in. Now, who will take care of this? Will the ICC pump in the money? Will the host board pump in the money, or will it be shared between the host nation and the second nation which is participating? So there are a lot of questions which needs to be answered, and that is exactly why Rahul Dravid has stated that playing cricket in a biosecure environment is an unrealistic approach. And also not forget that India is due to tour Australia later this year, and Cricket Australia has said that they have no problems in hosting India all the 4 test matches at Adelaide. For that, they have spent millions of dollars and have already constructed a 138-room hotel, especially in Adelaide. So what happens is now only Team India will be allowed to be there. And to be there right through the series, there will be no external people who will be allowed to register or to even come to the hotel, given the COVID-19 situation around the world at this point of time. But the bottom line stays the same. Where will who will take care of the additional cost, number one, and whether subjecting players to this long duration of a series, which is already a problem for for a team like India, because they need to travel all around the world and the burden on the players is only going to rise. So what do you think about Rahul Dravid's comments on Bio Bubble? Do send in your feedback, just send in those comments below, and don't forget to subscribe News 9 across all social media platforms.